Brian, hey man, it's Brandon. I just decided to make you this video to kind of show you what I think I can do for you, I guess. Yeah, I just figured it'd be a lot easier than trying to write out a bunch of stuff or talk over the phone about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this video showing my computer screen here, and I'll kind of just walk you through a few things, right? So here we go. Let's do carpet cleaning, Surprise AZ. All right, my tool here shows me this term gets 390 searches a month. Now, if I change it to carpet cleaners, it also says 390. So what Google's probably doing there is just saying, okay, carpet cleaning, carpet cleaners, they're about the same term. So combined, those probably get about 390 a month. But you know, there's people search weird. I mean, everybody's different and people search different things. So there's lots of like long tail keywords and variations of this, like carpet cleaning companies, carpet cleaning service. They might not put the AZ, you know, or near me. A lot of people do near me. But yeah, so let's take a look, right? We got Cranmore, Holtz, and then carpet cleaning Surprise AZ is Ames website. So here's Cranmore, there's Ames, and there's Holtz. Okay, so one thing that I've been taught is that to identify whether something is low competition or high competition. Okay, they say it's high competition when the three in the map, so 1, 2, and 3, are like 1, 2, and 3 organically. Now let me actually open up I'm going to open up an incognito window, because then it doesn't take my previous searches into account. So you know, like, let me show you here. So see how these are purple? That's because I visited their website, whereas this one's blue. So if I go back to this incognito window here, so we got Cranmore, there's Ames, there's Holtz. So truly, they are like in the top, 5 there? The top 3 are in the top 5. Okay, so that would say that it's a little more high competition. It's a little bit, it's going to take more to beat those guys. But then again, like, let me show you here. So this little thing gives me some info here. These are backlinks that those places have got, right? And I can see like Ames has barely anything. They don't have many backlinks at all. Whereas Holtz has got like 4987, says 6570 for Cranmore. So see, these guys are ranking there simply because of this. Carpet cleaning Surprise AZ is their title tag, what I was telling you about. So let me go to your website again. So here's what it says. Best affordable carpet cleaning in new... Oh, your guy changed it, didn't he? So that's good, actually. It might be a little bit long because Google only reads like around 60 characters there. But I would say that's pretty good. Maybe you might want to take out, if it is too long, you might want to take out best and affordable and just put carpet cleaning and new flooring and Surprise AZ, or maybe take out the in. So it's just carpet cleaning and new flooring, Surprise AZ. And you might even want somehow to get the Surprise AZ right after the carpet cleaning, because that's that might help you to just have that right up front. But so I see I didn't even know when I started making this video, but I see that your guys made a few changes. Really, it's just this, it looks like. Just changed this from Phoenix area flooring contractor to Surprise AZ. So the thing about your website, it's not bad, man. It's okay, but I think it could use probably some more content. And then something to really separate the carpet cleaning from the flooring part of it, rather than put it all on one kind of page like that. But yeah, what I was thinking, man, is if you want me to take over your website and work on it and try to improve the SEO or the rankings, basically, instead of what your guys been doing, 500 a month is kind of on the very low end for what I would charge, but I would do that for you. I would just stick at 500 for you, since that's kind of what you've already been paying and what you're used to. But with an agreement, maybe that like, just like a handshake agreement that, hey, once I get you rankings coming in better, then, let's up that monthly fee. So it's kind of performance based, right? Like you pay me 500 and I'll get it up there. I'll work on it. And I don't know how long it'll take. That's hard to tell. It might be a couple months. It might be several more months, but that way it's at least performance based, and you don't pay anymore until you start getting more results, So if you start getting blown up with calls, then, hey, it's no big deal to up my fee to 750 or 1,000 because you're making a lot in return. But let me show you one thing here. Hold on one sec. Gotta do this. You know what? Just a sec. I'm gonna pause the video, restart. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to kind of get these tools set up and things plugged in. I didn't want to waste your time while I was doing that. So let me show you a little bit here, okay? So this tool is called Majestic. It lets me take like a back end look at a website and see kind of what backlinks are pointing to those places, and maybe I can go get the same ones, right? So if Cranmore Carpet Cleaning is ranking #1 and they've got, like, let's scroll down here. So they've got 249 backlinks coming in from 48 different domains. So sometimes multiple backlinks, the same one comes from one domain, so that 249 isn't really realistic, right? But so like here's a pretty strong one, chamberorganizer.com. It's Peoria Chamber of Commerce, but it's been deleted. So that's not really helping them anymore. But so if I look at the backlinks, what I really look at are these two numbers. And if those are super high, like this in the 20s is a pretty powerful link. But as I scroll down, I see like a lot of theirs are 0, Ideally, you want this to be a 1-to-1 ratio like this, 24-22. That's a really good link because it's from the Chamber of Commerce, but they lost it. So I can see that Cranmore really doesn't have all that many great links, So they are totally beatable. And really, man, what I do is I take a look at what the top 3 competitors have got. How much content do they have? How many photos do they have on their Google My Business listing? How many pages do they have on their website? Do they have any YouTube videos? Because Google owns YouTube. How many backlinks do they have, and where are they coming from? Are they strong? And I just outdo them in every single area, and eventually you rank because Google doesn't, it's an algorithm, and if I can do more than they're doing, then Google's forced to put me above them. So anyway, there's their backlinks, right? Now let's look at, I got your GenComServe, and I've also got GCS Flooring up here. So GCS Flooring, it looks like he's been doing a little bit, which is good. But yeah, again, a lot of these are kind of low quality links, but that one's been deleted. It's just, I don't know. To me, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look like he's got a lot there that, like he should, And here's the GenComServe. It's just real, there's barely any, man. For the like 2 years that you've been paying this guy, that's what's insane to me, is that there's not just a ton of backlinks coming here. So that's not a good sign. But all right, let me show you this tool as well. So this is called SEMrush. This shows me the traffic that a website's getting and where that traffic's coming from. So if we look at Cranmore, they get about 344 visitors every month. They go to their website. Now, if they were to pay for that traffic with Google AdWords, it would cost them about $4,000 a month. But they're getting that free by being ranked organically. Okay, so about 53% of their traffic comes from Carpet Cleaning Surprise AZ because they're in the #1 spot. So every month, what's half of that? 170 plus a little bit. So maybe 180 people come to their website just because they're in the #1 spot, Then here it's Cranmore Carpet Cleaning gets 110 searches. They built their brand name up, Carpet Cleaning Surprise, they're in the #1 spot. Oh, that's AZ. Here's carpet cleaning surprise. So most of their traffic really is coming from carpet cleaning surprise AZ or carpet cleaning surprise, dude. And if we go and look at you guys, I mean, obviously you're not ranked well. So see here, 100% of your traffic, one person visited your site, and that might have been you guys. Typed carpet cleaning, scroll down to page, that bottom of page 2, which just says where you're at in the number 20 spot, and clicked on your website, and that's where this tool picked that up. So yeah, that's something we definitely would want to improve. But what I want to show you here, though, real quick. So let me do this. Tree removal, surprise easy. I showed you this, tree service surprise. This was my very first website. It ranks #1 in maps, #1 organically, 31 5-star reviews. This guy's killing it. And this is what I'm saying is a lead gen site. So this is built all around the keywords tree service and surprise and tree removal and all those other things. And it really helps to have those names, those keywords in your business name. But you can see I've just got lots and lots of content, it's just really thorough and kind of dialed in. I've got a services page. And now what I do is I do a individual page for each service. So, there'd be carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, grout cleaning, upholstery cleaning. There'd be a page for each one of those, just going into detail about it. And that's really the key, is you want to appear to be the authority in the market to Google, because you've got the most info, you've got all the authoritative info that they're looking for, so that they can make sure they're giving the best place to the searchers, right? So let me show you a couple more, man, like towing service, Scottsdale. Right here, Scottsdale Tow Truck Company. That's mine as well. Window tinting, Yuma AZ. This is mine. That's mine, #1. I got an appliance repair guy in Jackson, Mississippi. I had built him this, Jackson Appliance Repair Company, #1, and showing #2 in the mouse right there. Man, I have a pigeon control site in Phoenix. It's kind of a unique one, but it's this one, Phoenix Pigeon Control Company, and it's sitting right here, #2 organically at the moment. So these lead gen sites, man, are I like them the best because I can pick the keywords, I can pick the name, which really helps to rank. And you can do a DBA if, I know you're kind of concerned about, you want GCS to be everywhere, which makes sense. So what I can do is build the website. So let me just go to this one real quick. You can build the website, and maybe it's surprise carpet cleaning, but then I throw your big GCS logo like somewhere right here in the header, or powered by GPS or GCS, that way it's just super obvious, I guess, to the visitor right away that, you're GCS. And at the end of the day, man, most people don't care. They're calling to get their carpets cleaned. So what they want is somebody to come and give them a quote and a fair price and do a good job. And people understand, I think, a lot of people do understand that today people do business under multiple names, and you don't even have to do that, but it's an option, I think, to really go legit with it, is, do a DBA, surprise carpet cleaning, or surprise flooring company. I can build a site. What I would prefer to do, if you wanted to get leads for both, is build a site all about carpet cleaning and then build another one all about flooring and rank each one, because I'll show you real quick. I don't have much time before this is going to cut off on me, but let's do this. Flooring surprise AZ. So look at this, flooring store, flooring store, flooring store. This wants to show places that are like flooring contractors rather than carpet cleaners. So it helps to have its own website is the thing. All right, man, hopefully this makes sense. Call me with any questions. We could talk a little bit more. All right, bye.